guys, welcome back to Pleasure of Life with Nala. So Christmas in the air, and I came to you to bring you news to warm up your Christmas. So today we're gonna have a cocktail or mocktail, up to you, your choice. And this is gonna be a hot toddy, my own version, and you're gonna love it because it's totally different from any version you're gonna see around, which is mostly about spices, and this one has no spicy, at least not on my added ingredients, just in the gin. Just imagine with me, okay, sitting in front of the fireplace, listening to the rain falling outside, okay, having this cocktail on your arms, warming up your arms and going straight to your heart, okay, and watching the rain falling outside. How magical is this? It's Christmas, let's celebrate it our best way. Okay, so today, as I said, we're gonna have a hot toddy, my own version, and I called it Christmas Eve. You're gonna love it. So let's start. For you that you haven't checked yet the first episode of Pleasures of Life with Nala, you can go back in the playlist, or I'm gonna leave down below there in the comments the link of the first video, so you can go to see if, in case you don't have this material, the bartender material, you can, I'm sure you're gonna find something at your home to replace the material with. Okay, let's get started. Here we have our ingredients. Gonna need hibiscus. These are the parts of the plant. They exist here in Caribbean. Right now in Martinique we are. They have it a lot in the supermarket also. But mine is from West Africa when we've been there in Guinea-Bissau, my country, and I still have them. They are dry, easy to conserve, so still good. We're gonna need half of a flower of the hibiscus because it's has a very strong flavor and it's quite citrusy also, so it's gonna combine very well with our gin, the Bombay gin. This is our baby, what we're gonna work with today. And if you don't want it alcoholic, you want a mocktail instead, you can just keep the gin, it's gonna be perfect. Okay, we're gonna need orange. We're gonna need 5 grated almonds. Okay, I've done the job already just to save some time. Sugar powder for the garnish. Glasses. You can choose whatever you want. These are my little babies. Okay, gonna need 2 almonds just for the garnish also. And our material, always my measure. Okay, a double strainer, all right, a knife and a teaspoon. All right, so if you don't have these two, you can go back to the first episode. I'm gonna leave a link down below, so you can access there. I explain, if in case you don't have these materials, what you can use that you probably have at home to replace them. All right, so let's get started. Oh, water. You're gonna need 300 ml of water. Forgot to tell. I'm gonna start by adding my almonds, my grated almonds, to the pot. These are my almonds, so I'm gonna slightly roast them in low fire just to get them to release the essence. All right. There we go. My almonds have roasted for a few seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds max. Okay, now I'm gonna add sugar. Probably I forgot to tell that this cocktail has some sugar. Brown sugar, always my preference. So I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of the sugar. Alright, and I'm gonna take it back to the fire until it starts bubbling slightly. Okay, but before that, I'm gonna add at least 50 ml of water. All right, there we go. Okay, so as you could see, our mix starts already bubbling, and we're going to remove it from the fire and add the rest of 250 ml of water. It's hot. I'm gonna do it straight in because I know where is the measure. okay? But for you, it's better if you measure. There, my 300 ml. I put it back to the fire, okay, until it starts bubbling again. And after that, we're just gonna close the fire, add our hibiscus and the green tea, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Our mix bubbled, and we can now add hibiscus, dried hibiscus, and the green tea, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, I want it for 5 minutes because I want to extract the strong taste of the green tea. So we're gonna make, if you don't like green tea that much, actually you can adjust to your taste and see how long you want but I would advise from 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it as far as I can. 5 minutes gonna be. 5 minutes have passed, and now we're gonna pour in the glasses our cocktail. Let's make it with movement. It's not easy. Sorry guys, but the movement of the boat is not making my life any easy here. Now I'm gonna cut my orange to do the garnish. Let's do it. As you can see, one of the glasses is full and the other one is half full. Not half, but let's say almost full. What happens, this one gonna be the mocktail, okay, and this one gonna be the cocktail. So I'll leave a bit of space to add my gin, and this one to add my garnish. I'm gonna cut a very thin slice so I can fit it in the glass. And we're just gonna introduce this inside. Okay, like that. Cameraman is messing up here on my terrain of work. Okay, so the hibiscus, here we go. Just try to make something pretty, okay? We don't need to do exactly what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna put it here behind, just to give it support and to have something behind it. Gives it a nice look. And the almond, I'm gonna stick it right there. There we go, it's sinking. But you'll see it once you start drinking. I'm gonna add the gin. So the gin, I'm gonna add just, this is 15. There we go. Actually, it's just enough. 15 ml, guys, don't go much farther. Now I'm gonna, just to make it different from last time because it didn't work very well, I'm gonna here stick my almond, okay, in the white part of the orange skin and hope it to stay. No, it didn't stay. I'm gonna try the other side, there's no problem. And this one stayed. Okay, just put it inside carefully. And the hibiscus, let's do it again the same way, or however you decide, just to make it pretty because I also enjoy. This is our Christmas Eve. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it and you try it at home, leave a comment below and we're gonna reply to you. If you have any questions, same rule, leave a comment below and we'll keep in touch. Okay? So cameraman, which one you want? The mocktail or the cocktail?
Cocktail.
Alcoholic, huh?
Okay, if you give me alcohol, the camera goes everywhere.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Don't finish it, okay?